The key feature of the Fluke Solmetric PVA 1500 is its ability to test up to 1500 volts DC. That's a common voltage seen in utility scale projects. The PVA 1500 HE is also capable of testing high efficiency modules. Those modules have a large inrush current when you start the test, and that can overheat the test instrument, which slows down your testing. The PVA 1500 HE is designed to withstand that inrush current, so you can test with it all day long without the product overheating. Commissioning is a very common place that it's used, but we also use it in troubleshooting to see where the root cause of a problem is. We can also use it for a couple other applications. Module warranty claims is one of them, and identifying how soil an array is to see if it's financially viable to wash the array. Yeah, the Fluke Solmetric PVA 1500 helps customers ensure operation by making sure that modules and strings of modules are working up to their maximum efficiency. It can detect problems with the modules. The tool also is used in module warranty claims, so if there is damage to the array, you can do that module warranty claim and back up that with data.